right, now I'm going to take you through the sequence of closing in the sides. So it's all done manually, and it should be done with one person. So these sides here, those will fold in on both ends, and then the floor will fold up and the ceiling will fold down. So it's a little bit of unlatching, moving the side out just a little bit to give clearance for the top and bottom to come in with the sides as well. And then from there, it's just cranking on this bolt and the whole side will move in. So that's what it looks like. Those are the rails that it rolls in on. These are the latches on the inside that need to be undone. Then there's the side panels. These need to be moved, slid out, and then we can start to close it. See, so this is bent. It's supposed to hook in right there and to stabilize the side flaps so they don't blow in the wind. So there these can come out. Well, I'm just stay off of that floor.
Why?
Because I'm gonna push it up.
Oh, bye, come here. Guys, watch out. Guys. Oh, no, Cecilia. Keep pushing it up. Where is Cecilia? Let me hide. I can't. This is way smarter than I thought
Okay. I'm gonna.
it was.
Noah, stay in here because I might have you pull on that. So hang tough. Now I need to lock that handle there. Okay. so it doesn't blow. Once it starts going in, it'll be good.
When? Tell me when I can let go. Because I don't want to.
You're not going to get smashed. This won't go in fast enough.
I'm tired.
Okay, you could probably go ahead and get out now. You want to do that?
I'll show you. I'm tired on my hair. Forget it. Look it just.
Go now. I need a wrench for these guys.
And lastly, there are two side locks that are on a square nut that are just barely within reach with a wrench right here. All right, now you can see that we got the first side done. Looks a little bit smaller now. Took us about 10-15 minutes per side. I think once we start working out the bugs, we'll build. But on this next side, you'll see that we got hung up a little bit, so that side took a little bit longer. This next side will be in time lapse. But as you can see, with the way these floors are designed and the whole thing pops out, we've got quite the challenge ahead of us with designing the interior to make everything kind of come together with bed spaces, dinette, couches, fridge, etc.
All right, so we had to adjust the truck, and let's see, it looks like these flaps come together, and there's a little hole right up in there. Let's see. Hard to tell, yeah. There's a pin that's supposed to go in that hole, and it looks like it's out. So we got to try to put it back together, but at least they're lining up better after we moved it. But now that thing is bending out a little bit, so we're gonna have to readjust it.
So as I was saying just before the clip break, we're wanting to make this RV with as many modern day amenities as possible. It's going to take a lot of creative thinking and ingenuity to bring all those parts and pieces together. And maybe as we start tearing into this thing, we'll spark a good idea and get some sort of slide out working on an electric motor that's integral to the rest of the interior. Thanks for watching. God bless.